Welcome to Choice Champions. The best Domino's Mexican Train Game is probably one of the most exciting and engaging board games available, offering a unique blend of strategy, luck, and social interaction that makes it a perfect choice for family game nights or gatherings with friends. This game challenges players to lay down their dominoes by matching numbers, with the goal of creating trains that extend from the central hub, all while strategically blocking opponents and managing their own hand. The thrill of the game comes from the constant decision-making, the race to be the first to empty your dominoes, and the potential for dramatic swings in fortune with each draw and play. Number 5. Queensell Mexican Train Dominoes Set, Double 12. This all-in-one set includes everything you need for a great time with family and friends. With 91 tiles, 9 trains, and a wooden hub, you're ready for 2 or more players. Enjoy classic fun that's perfect for all ages. It's ideal for family game nights, sleepovers, parties, and any gathering. Keep everything neatly packed in the aluminum carry case. It makes storage simple at home and easy to take on the go. Looking for a unique gift? This set is a fantastic choice for birthdays, holidays, and any special occasion. It's great for all celebrations. These tiles are durable and colorful, with clear, indented dots that are easy to read. You can count on them for long-lasting enjoyment. Have questions? We're here to help with professional service. Expect a reply within 24 hours to ensure your satisfaction. What we like. This set offers a complete Mexican Train Dominoes experience with everything you need included. It's designed for easy storage and portability in its aluminum case. If you are looking for a classic, durable set with colorful tiles that is perfect for family game nights and can be easily taken anywhere, this is a great choice. What people say. We play almost every night, after dinner, and we have had game night with friends and everyone loves the case and the nice solid dominoes. Hub is nice, and lots of trains for game night. Everything fits back into the case without much finagling. The large, brightly colored dots are most enjoyable to use for seniors. Number 4. Queensell Mexican Train Dominoes Set Double 15. Introducing the Queensell Mexican Train Dominoes Set, a complete package for endless fun. This set includes everything you need for an engaging game night. Inside, you'll find 136 tiles, 9 plastic trains, and 8 wooden holders for easy organization. It also comes with a score pad, instructions, and a durable aluminum carrying case. This premium set is designed for 2 to 9 players, making it perfect for family gatherings or game nights with friends. The simple instructions ensure everyone can join in the fun. Experience the joy of Mexican Train Double 15 with convenient domino trays. They keep your tiles organized, allowing for a smoother and more enjoyable gameplay. Looking for a unique gift? This domino set is an entertaining choice for birthdays, holidays, and anniversaries. It's a gift that brings people together. What we like. This premium set expands the classic game with double 15 tiles, offering more complex gameplay. It comes with 8 wooden tile holders for better organization and a more comfortable playing experience. If you enjoy a deeper strategic challenge and want to play with more players or have a more organized setup, this double 15 set with holders is ideal. What people say. Great family fun. We played this game over winter break at my sister-in-law's and ordered one for ourselves before we left our house. Great quality and travels easy, so you take it to your friends and family's house to play for endless fun. These dominoes are very nice and the numbers are much better to see dominoes with a gazillion dots. The colors are good too. Excellent complete product for game night. Cracked it out for the last family gathering. 8 people around the table laughing and carrying on. Pulled it out several more times with smaller groups. Great game for young and old. Teaches strategy and luck of the draw. The included stands are worth it. And it all fits into a quality container, so no lost parts to keep track of. Container is square, solid and stores well. Number 3. Queensell Wooden Domino Holders, set of 4 large. Keep all your dominoes organized with this durable set, perfect for classic games like Mexican Train. These handcrafted trays easily hold tiles up to 0.6 inches wide. Enjoy a scratch-free and quiet gaming experience. The soft felt bottom protects your table and prevents sliding, ensuring a sturdy play surface. Bring people together with this classic game accessory. It's perfect for family nights, parties, and gatherings, offering timeless fun for all ages. These racks are ideally sized for professional dominoes, measuring 2 by 1 by 0.4 inches. They are great for Mexican Train, Chicken Foot, and other favorite board games. Made from superior, tough, and dense pine wood, these domino stands are built to last. Enjoy a smooth, well-constructed accessory for years to come. What we like. This product is specifically for high-quality, wooden domino holders designed to enhance your existing domino games. They are crafted from superior wood and feature a felt bottom to protect your surfaces. If you already own a domino set and are looking to upgrade your playing experience with stylish, durable racks that prevent table scratches and noise, these holders are a perfect accessory. What people say. The game is a fun and engaging experience for families and friends. The components are well made and durable, ensuring long-lasting gameplay. The rules are easy to understand, making it accessible for new players. Number 2. Queensell Mexican Train Dominoes Set. Introducing our premium Mexican Train Dominoes set. It comes with simple instructions, making it easy for 2 to 12 players to enjoy a fun game night. This double 18 dominoes set includes everything you need: a wooden hub, 190 numbered tiles, 12 plastic trains, a score pad, and instructions. Enjoy timeless fun with this complete train domino set. It's perfect for game nights and provides entertainment for everyone, regardless of age. Conveniently store and carry your game in our stylish aluminum case. It's durable and portable, so you can take the fun anywhere you go. Discover the joy of this Mexican Train game. It's the perfect gift for adults and families, promising hours of fun, laughter, and bonding. What we like. This set features double 18 dominoes, providing the most extensive gameplay option for larger groups. The tiles are numbered for easier identification, making it accessible for a wider range of players. If you're looking for the ultimate Mexican Train experience with the most tiles, ideal for playing with up to 12 people and appreciate the clarity of numbered tiles, this is the set for you. What people say. The set is very nice and the colors are easy to see. The tiles appear to be well made. This is the set you want to get when playing with more than 8 players. The domino sets are gorgeous and in a nice case. Number 1. Mexican Train Dominoes set with 8 wooden holders. Get ready for fun with this all-in-one Mexican Train Dominoes set. It includes everything you need for an authentic experience, perfect for 2 to 8 players. It's ready to play right out of the box for your next family game night. Enjoy superior gameplay with our high-quality components. The dominoes feature easy-to-read colored dots, and the set includes wooden holders for organization and a solid hub as the centerpiece. Take the fun anywhere. This domino set packs neatly into a gift box, making storage and transportation easy. It's perfect for travel, vacations, or bringing to parties. This is more than just dominoes, it's a thrilling game of strategy that brings people together. It encourages critical thinking and social interaction, offering screen-free entertainment for everyone. Looking for the ideal present? This complete set is a thoughtful gift for kids and adults alike. It promises years of fun and memorable moments for any occasion. Play with confidence knowing this set has undergone rigorous testing. It meets toy safety standards, making it a reliable choice for long-lasting enjoyment. What we like. This complete set includes 8 wooden tile holders for enhanced organization and privacy during play. The color-coded tiles make gameplay intuitive and fun for all ages. If you want a comprehensive Mexican Train Dominoes set that is not only packed with all the essentials, including helpful tile holders, but also comes in an attractive gift box perfect for portability and gifting, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Has everything you need. Easy to learn and play. Definitely a great game for all ages. The domino stand makes the game so much more enjoyable. Great quality. I love that I have 8 trays. The domino colors are good and can be distinguished all right. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.